Hi foodies, welcome to Mellowbites. I'm Deepa and welcome to Healthy Lunchbox series episode number 3. In this episode, we are going to make mushroom corn pulao. This pulao is very unique and different because it not only have mushroom corn and peas in it, it does not have onion and garlic into it. Let's start making the pulao. Here I have taken a heavy bottom pot and adding 5 teaspoons of ghee. I love to add ghee to my pulaos because it gives a nice aroma. And now for the tempering, I am adding 1/3 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it splutter. Once it's splutter, add some peppercorns, an inch of cinnamon, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 3 green cardamom and 3 cloves. Saute it well. These are all the temperings that you are going to add for your pulao. I've taken 1 inch of ginger and cut it into a julienne size. Let me add this ginger sticks along with 4 green chilies that's been slitted. These add nice spice to the pulao. Now it's time to add half cup of sweet corn. Saute it very well for at least 2 minutes. This pulao is not only unique and different, the cumin seeds, the peppercorns and the ginger juliennes in this pulao add nice medicinal value. This is gonna give you a nice healing power to your body. Once corn is sauteed thoroughly, let's add chopped mushrooms. I've taken 400 grams of mushrooms and cut it into slices. Not only that, let's add some green peas. This adds a different color to the pulao. You can skip it, but I love adding different colors and veggies to my pulao always. So I've added green peas here. Saute it very well. Now it's time to add salt that's required for the veggies and some turmeric. You can skip turmeric, but I love to add turmeric because this gives a nice color to the pulao. Cover it with a lid and simmer it for 3 to 5 minutes until you open and find that the mushroom and peas and the corns are cooked well. Wow, I love the color. Just mix it up. Once you see that the vegetables are cooked, let's add 2 cups of water and wait for the water to come to a nice rolling boil. When water comes to a rolling boil, let's add salt that's required for the rice. Here I have taken 1 cup of Basmathi rice. I have washed it thoroughly and soaked it in water for 15 minutes. I have drained the water and let's add this to the pot. Mix it well. Ensure that you have added right amount of salt. Once you check that the salt is perfect, cover it with a lid and then let it cook and simmer until 5 to 7 minutes until the rice is well done. Once the rice is well done, open the lid. Let's garnish it off with nice chopped cilantro. Not only that, I'm gonna add some half tablespoon of lemon juice to it. This adds a nice tint of tanginess to the pulao and definitely it makes a huge difference in the taste. Let's mix it off completely and cover it with the lid again. Let it sit for another 5 to 10 minutes. It's time to pack for lunch. This pulao by itself is very flavorful and you don't need any side dish for this pulao. The mushrooms, the corn and the peas all are rich in fiber and protein, and this is definitely an easy go healthy lunch for your lunch box. So here we go. Easy mushroom corn pulao is ready into your lunch box. So definitely try it at your home and do let us know in comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Meet you in another healthy lunchbox video. Bye.